The philosophy of Symphony of Life, the first path to our authenticity. Within the vastness of time and space, our hearts beat with a constant pulse. A symphony of hope and faith, unified in love, we are building a radiant tomorrow. Redeemed by life's adversities, we stride towards the future with confidence. United in faith, love, and hope, nothing will hold us back. Our strength lies in our alliance. Glimmers of love reflect in the sky, making us stronger, lighting our paths. Taking refuge in peace, we yearn for a future. Together we build a world without fears. In darkness, our light rises. Each test, each struggle lifts us. Together we face, there are no barriers. Love is our shield, faith is our flag. On this journey, our dreams intertwine. Each heartbeat a promise, a bond. Spirit guides us, bestowing wisdom, emphasizing the importance of unity, our essence. May life bring us abundance, shielded by a spirit offering wisdom. Together, united in love, we will eradicate arrogance. Harmony, happiness, and peace, our greatest gain. The future is a blank canvas, each action a stroke, each dream an anchor. Our hearts beat with a rhythm of hope. Unity is our might, our confidence. We sail seas of uncertainty, but our souls shine fervently. Love and faith are beacon in the storm. We build tomorrow with passion and honor. Redeemed by life's adversities, we stride towards the future with confidence. United in faith, love, and hope, nothing will hold us back. Our strength lies in our alliance. The journey continues towards a bright horizon. Our hearts, united, beat constantly. With love, faith, and hope, we chart our destiny. The future belongs to us, together, on a divine path. Nothing will hold us back. Our strength lies in our alliance. Glimmers of love reflect in the sky. In peace and harmony, our greatest gain. United, redeemed, we reach our longing. Embrace these themes of unity, hope, and love, for they are the stepping stones to a radiant tomorrow. Together, we are stronger, and together, we shall build a world free of fears. The future belongs to us. Let's stride towards it with unwavering confidence.